Grand Risings. I am your natural mystic medicine man, and this morning I want to talk to you about yet another plant that you want to add to your backyard pharmacy. It's going to help you save money because you aren't going to have to invest in big pharma every time you catch a cold or to treat your asthma. Yes, this plant is used and has been used for thousands of years to treat colds, to treat, I don't know about for thousands of years for this part, but to treat asthma. Um, it's used to help make you sweat. It prevents gas. So if you have flatulent problems, you can use this hyssop. Um, it can be used to manage your blood sugar levels and also used to manage your blood pressure. It's an all-around great herb to have in your garden. It's very easy to grow. It's been growing here all season in an area that gets no more than 4 hours of sun. Sometimes it gets as little as 2 hours of sun. What I like to do is take the more mature leaves and take about 3 leaves that are about this size, so you can see the size of my hand as compared to the size of the leaf, and take about 3 of them. I like to chop the leaves up or cut them up with some kitchen shears, then put them down in an 8-ounce cup, little small teacup, boil some water, pour the water over the herb, let it sit for at least 10 minutes, or you could let it sit for more than that. Okay, and then you just drink it. It's a very soothing tea. It can actually help calm your nerves. So just all around great tea. You could put it in a tea blend, however you want to use it. Some people make essential oils out of this. I tend to just use most of my herbs in tea. As far as growing it, it'll grow in a relatively small container. So I can't even get the full circumference of this plant without panning from right to left. This is all one plant. So I want to say it's about 3 feet tall. It's about, let's see, 2.5 feet wide. It's also growing in a container. I have it growing here with my ginger. I just threw the ginger in there because I wanted to see what would happen. And both plants are growing just fine together. You see missing ginger leaves and some missing hyssop leaves because I actually use these plants. With the smaller leaves, you can eat them raw. Just pick them off and eat them. I really don't see any downsides to this plant. If you happen to have some type of adverse reaction, then just stop using it and consult your physician. Of course, you always want to do your own research, do your own due diligence about these plants. So it has much more positive upsides than I've spoken about here today. But get to know your plants. Add hyssop to your backyard pharmacy. You're going to save all types of money when you're trying to heal your family from colds and fever. It's going to bring that fever down. It's going to cool the body. Anyway, this has been your natural mystic medicine man with more good news from nature. I'm going to talk to you soon. Peace and guidance.